in class 5 Python tutorial, we are going to learn about Python ideally. We will write our first program in Python and we will learn how to use print function, inbuilt print function in different ways. So not wasting much time, let's start with today's class. Let's start learning ideally Python. Python ideally, what exactly means? What is ideally in Python? Ideally stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. This is a full form of ideally. Then, what is the definition of ideally? Ideally is a software tool that comes automatically when you install Python. It is used to write, run, and test Python programs easily. You can think of it as a notebook or Python where you can type your code, you can run it, and immediately you can see the output. So basically, the main purpose of ideally, I would suggest you if you are learning Python for the first time, I would suggest you use a Python ideally because you no need to go for another tool. Once you install Python in your system, you will get Python ideally uh, in your system installed, and just you have to go to start button and you have to type Python ideally, and you will get your Python ideally ready open in your system. It is that simple, and you can write your first program with this Python ideally. Let's see some of the main features of ideally. It is also known as the Python shell, where you can write, run code easily. Then it is editor's window. Why? Because you can write, whether it is a small program or a longer program, you can write easily. Color highlighting, because it is you to do it manually. It shows keywords, strings, and numbers in different colors, making the code easy to read. Error checking, if you make any mistake, ideally shows an error message to help you fix it. So these are some features of ideally. Let's explore ideally and see how it works. Once you install Python in your system, go to start button, go to here. So, and I already installed Python in my system. Here you can see ideally Python 3.14. It is already installed. Just click on this and you will see the shell has opened. You can see this is known as the Python ideally, and where we are going to write our first program. Okay, this is also known as a Python shell with the use of print function, which is inbuilt. We are going to learn in detail how to use print function in different ways in our next segment. But first, let me write one code, one program for you. Always remember whenever you are writing any string, okay, string means starting with alphabets. You need to write in parentheses. Whenever you are using print function, you need to write in parentheses, and you need to write in single quotation, double quotation, or triple quotation. Mostly it can be written in double quotation. So let's see how to make our first program. Print parenthesis, double inverted comma, hi. This is program for Python quotation, the close and enter. So we have written our first program successfully. So this is that simple. Or whether you want to do any calculation, you can do 5 multiplied by 6. You can see this is simple. Let's do some practice some operators that we have learned in our previous class. Let's suppose you want to find out print 100 plus 5 multiplied by 4. We will do some calculation and see whether we are getting result or not. 120. See, now let's check the next operator, that is power operator. Let's suppose we want to find out power of 5 4 times. So 5 for power, you have to do double multiplication. We want 4 times. 5. So you can see 625. Then we are going to find out division. 25 divided by 4, 6.25. Let's do floor division. 25 floor division. We have to do double slashes for floor division. 6. It will not give you 25 because in floor division you will get only integer part, not decimal part. Then modulus 25. For modulus you have to give sign of percentage, not 25. Modulus 4 and end. Well, so modulus means remainder. Okay, so we are getting our result. If you do 25 by 4, you will get 1 as a remainder. So here we have found out, we have practiced our all the operators which we have learned in our previous class. And one more thing I want to teach you that because Python is an interpreted language, so let's run one more line and see print hi, I am Python. And here simply we are running this program. Okay, it is written. But if suppose you want to change line because it is interpreted language, so you will get code line by line, right? Let's suppose if you want a new line from this M, okay, from this M Python, you want new line. So in that case, what you can do, you need to write print same inverted comma high, then I, then you to give a slash, this slash and M Python. Close double inverted comma, close the bracket and end. C. You are getting high I in new line, high I in first line, and M Python in new line. So if you want new line, so you have to put slash N. And same way, if you want to end the sentence here itself, hi I'm Python, then in that case, what you can do, so write print double comma hi I am Python, comma to write end, a to give a sign is equal to, then double inverted comma here, then you have to write I. Let's suppose you want to end line with I, then close, then after and give some space, change line. Okay, you don't want new line and you want to continue with this line as it is. And if you want to add any letter or any symbol, you can add here by end. Okay, by using end. See what you have to do comma, then space and is equal to double inverted comma. Let's suppose we want to write letter I at the end and close the parenthesis and enter. See, hi, I am Python. We have added instead of I, you can, if you want to give and. Okay, so let's suppose again we will write print hi, I am Python. And is equal to, if you don't want to give any letter or something, you just have to give space, inverted comma as it is. Don't write anything in this inverted comma and enter. You will get your line as it is. Hi, I'm Python. Okay. Then if you want to add some symbol, you can do that also. Print, um, Python, comma, and here, sorry, and is equal to, then let's suppose we want and symbol at the end. And it can see, hi, I'm Python, and then this way you can use Python ideally. Okay, this is all about Python ideally. Now, so one more important thing, if you want to save this file, I'll show you. Always remember, go to File, then go to Save, and always save Python file with .py. Okay, let's give any name like X, Y, Z. I'm giving .py. Select any location where you want to save the file. Document, I'm saving the document, and okay, so your file will be saved like this. So always remember you have to save file with .py. We have already used print function, but let's see what exactly it means. The print function in Python is used to display information on the screen. It helps us to see the output of our program. Whenever you want to show a message or a number or the value of any variable, you use print function. So it is inbuilt. For example, you can use print function with text, numbers, variables, multiple values, operators. We will see one by one all the print function, starting with, let's start with the text, printing text. Okay. Now in the next segment, let's learn something about print function in detail. So let's explore the print function. But whatever you want to show is written inside the parentheses. In print function, whatever you want to show, you have to write inside the parentheses. For example, you have to print text, numbers, variables, printing multiple values together, anything, operators, you have to write it parentheses. So let's explore one by one. Before that, I want to tell you one more thing. That is, if you want to write any comment in Python, you can write any comment with hashtag. This is a symbol of comment. Python will not execute this line because it has hashtag at the beginning. Okay, so let's type our first example, printing text. So this is for your information because I'm teaching right now. That's why we are giving you heading printing text. We are going to learn how to use print function with string. Okay, so let's need text parenthesis. Let's type a simple word, hello world. From the beginning itself, I'm teaching this hello world. Okay, so it is not new for you. Simple and simple. So this is one way of writing print function. Okay. Then printing numbers. With print function, we can print numbers as well. Uh, Give me a heading first. So hashtag with icon print numbers. Or you can do any calculation as well. I have shown you the calculation also. Print time or print 25 plus 5 and enter. See, you can print numbers directly or even show the result of calculation. Now, next is printing variables. I have not teach you variable yet, but I will tell you in short. Variables means variable is nothing but a container. Let's suppose you have a toy box, okay, at your home, okay. So the name of the box is toy box, okay. So variable is a box and the name of the box is toy box, okay. So toy box is nothing but a variable, and whatever inside this that box has the all the toys are nothing but the value. Okay. So I will teach you in detail. This is just for your information how to use print with variable. Okay. So let's see print, sorry, parenthesis, comma, suppose, okay, sorry, to give print, sorry, sorry, I have written a simple bhavna in print. This is not a variable. So for variable, you have to write name. What is my name? This is variable. Name is a variable, and always assign is equal to sign. All the variables are assigned with is equal to sign. Then write your bhavna and enter. Then write age. The new variable is age. Write my age. Writing my age, and I'm writing next line. I'm writing print function. Now I want to print my name and my age. So if I write name here, it will give my name. If I write print my age, it will give my age. Okay. Now you understood what is a variable. This name and age is variable, and this is a value. Okay. This is a toy box. This is a toy. Okay. So that's how you can use printing variables. Now next, let's see printing multiple values together. Hashtag. Sorry. Hashtag. We are going to see printing multiple values together. So here, let's suppose your variable is Riya. Okay. And your next variable is Riya's age. Sorry. Is equal to Kristen. Okay. Now, how to write string and numbers together? Riya is a string and her age is numbers. So how to write both the things together in one statement that we will see. So here you can write print, open parenthesis, inverted comma, my name is, close, comma, variable name. Variable cannot be written in quotation, okay? Always remember this. Comma, then and m, then inverted comma, again comma, age. Instead of numbers, we are writing age. Again, inverted comma open and years. Okay, and parenthesis close. Enter. So here you can see my name is Ria and I'm 10 years old. We have written a whole statement with by using commas in between. Okay, by using print function. The variable name is Ria, age is 10. And we want to write my name is Ria and I am 10 years old. So instead of name, we have given Ria. Okay, so that is why in the name variable we have given Ria. So it is written Ria here, and at the place of age it is written 10 here. So that's why that's how you can use printing multiple values together. Okay, you can combine string and numbers together. So last type of print function is printing with operators. That's so hashtag we are going to learn about printing with operators. I have already shown you the example, but let's do it again. Let's suppose variable a has value 5 and variable b has value 10. Okay. And now you want to print. So in the next line, you want to print. And this is open. The sum is 10, inverted comma, e plus b. Okay. Comma close. Print sum is e plus b. Okay. And enter. So here you can see the sum is 15 because variable a has value 5, variable b has value 10, so we got 15. So here also we get a string and numbers together. So that's how also you can use printing with operators. This is nothing but printing with operators. Now we can also show both the text and the print function to check if our code is working correctly or not. We use print function. To see the result of calculation or variable values, we use print function. So that's all about today's class. In our next class, we'll be learning about variables, what are the variables and types of and data types in Python. Okay, so if you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share.